Once upon a time, in a world filled with soft laughter and sweet daydreaming, a beautiful collection of baby girl frocks was created. These aren't just ordinary dresses. They are woven with love, imagination, and the gentlest cotton yarn, made for the little princesses who bring so much light into our lives. Today, we are stepping into a fairy tale wardrobe to look at the most charming and elegant crochet baby frocks ever made. Our story begins with the first morning light, where a baby girl is ready to greet the day. For this moment, the creators designed a delicate, pastel pink frock with a beautifully flared skirt that looks just like a soft cloud. To give it that extra touch of sweetness, it's finished with white lace ruffles around the collar and a tiny satin bow right at the waist. It's light, it's airy, and it's perfect for a little darling who loves to giggle and play in the morning sun. As afternoon rolls around, our story takes us into a whimsical garden. This next design features a vintage-inspired pinafore frock, using a lovely sage green and cream color palette. If you look closely at the skirt, there are tiny, hand-stitched embroidered daisies blooming right along the hem. It's a dress made for crawling through the grass, chasing butterflies, and capturing those precious, picture-perfect family moments. It's pure, timeless elegance. When the afternoon heat warms up the day, our third little frock steps into the spotlight. This bright, golden yellow sundress is all about magnificent stitch work. It features a gorgeous chevron pattern that creates beautiful, wavy textures down the skirt, allowing it to bounce softly with every little step and crawl. To top it off, it comes with a matching, lightweight sun hat to protect those chubby cheeks. She isn't just a baby anymore, she looks like summer royalty. Finally, as evening falls and the stars come out, it's time for a special family gathering. This final frock is the absolute showstopper of the entire collection. It is a multi-layered ruffled gown, using a stunning gradient of lavender and deep violet yarn. Each tear of the dress is meticulously crocheted to give it incredible volume and movement. When your little girl twirls, the dress sways beautifully. It's sophisticated, detailed, and completely magical. And so, our little fashion journey comes to an end. Each of these handmade frocks tells its own sweet story, turning everyday wear into a beautiful keepsake. Which of these tiny gowns stole your heart today? Was it the pink cloud, the floral garden frock, or the royal lavender gown? Let me know in the comments below. If you love this sweet collection, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more inspiration, and I'll see you in the next video.